Hi, welcome to EVA session. Unit 9, our basic needs. Already we completed this syllabus, this lesson, but we repeat once again our basic needs, that is air, and how can we keep the air pure, how to reduce the air pollution. So there are many ways in which we can keep the air clean. Already we discussed this one. Once again I repeat, so we should plant the more trees, so plant keeps the air fresh. Yes, we should plant the more trees, plant keep the air fresh, because how much we planting the more trees, then the air should be in pure, the air it is not polluted. So planting the more and more trees. Understood? Next one, second one, we have to reduce the vehicle. When the near it is, we don't take the vehicle like a bicycle, sorry, by uh, scooter or car. Take the bicycle and go, because if it will air pollute will not happen. So we should walk or cycling doing the short distance. Next, so we should also not burn the things is like on the festival or occasions or marriage purposes, the burning the firing the crackers, we should avoid that one. So the air will get dirty, so avoid the burning crackers. And we should vehicle smoke, that is the vehicle smoke, we should change the oil and again, because how much the old oil will there in the vehicle, we have to clean the oil tanks, that is exhaust the air, it will get dirty. So vehicle smoke and factory smoke and burning the dumping waste, so burning things add the smoke and dust into the air and makes it very dirty. Understood? We should avoid the firing the crackers, burning the crackers, dumping waste, using the plastic materials, so that will avoiding. Next, we should not allow the factories in our city places, or in our places. And it means that is one, we are staying in one place, middle on the in city on the middle, we avoid the factories. And also we should not allow the factories to give out smoke that pollutes the air. So we should not allow the factories to give out the smoke that pollute air. So we should the air fill the all, mixing the air, it gets impure. So we have to planting the more trees. We should avoid the vehicles in short distances, we should go by walk or bicycle. And we should not using the materials like a plastic burning crackers or vehicle smoke or plastic and materials. And we should not allow the factories to give out the smoke that pollutes the air. These all we have to avoid. Okay, that is the, then only we can keep the air pure. Next next we will now discuss our basic needs. Water is very important. Without water we can't survive our life. All the living things need water, plants, birds, trees, even we need water. So water is very precious. So without water we can't survive our life. So we can't, even also we do not waste a single drop of water. Every single drop the water is very important. So you and I, plants, animals need water to live. So for which purpose we need water? From daily morning to night we are doing the several activities by water only. Yes or no? Drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, planting the trees. For planting the trees, then we want the water, and washing the clothes. This all we need water. So for all this we need fresh water. Which is the main source of fresh water? Rain is the main sources of fresh water. Rain is the main fresh sources of fresh water. Rain fall on the ground and collects in lakes and ponds. When it flow, it forms small streams and big rivers. Sometimes it fall from hills and forms waterfalls. These are the natural sources of water. Which are the natural sources of water? lake, pond, river, stream, waterfall. These are all the natural sources of water. Sometimes the rainwater seeps through the ground and collect underground. We can reach the underground water by digging the wells and tube wells or bore wells. So ordinary wells are open now. So tube wells are closed now. They are just holes in the ground. We bring up the water by electric pumps. Okay? Yes. Tomorrow we will discuss a 152 page number. Okay? Bye.